Even after giving her husband to the nation, she's still so proud. And these are Veenaris for me. And I'm so proud to be born in such a family. I'm so proud to be born in the womb of such mother. And always I'm truly a Fauji's daughter, and more than that, I'm truly a Veer Nari's daughter.
Jai Hind. Welcome to my YouTube channel Guts and Glory. Today we'll be talking about the Veer Naris of the Indian Army. Before getting started, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि एक वीर नारी कौन होती है. A Veer Nari is a martyr's wife who has sacrificed his life for the country. A soldier is brave enough to sacrifice his life for the motherland. For him, his country comes first. But after him, it is important for the wife to be equally brave to face the world and take care of her children. वीर नारी वो वीरांगनाएं हैं जिन्होंने देश के लिए अपना सब कुछ दे दिया, लेकिन क्या हम सब उनको वो सब देते हैं जो उन्हें मिलना चाहिए? So the question is Indian Army taking care of the Veer Naris? Are we giving them the respect and the honor that they deserve? Are we taking care of them as a society? So I'll be answering all these questions for you. The Indian Army is always ready to mitigate the problem of a martyr family. We also have a Veer Nari committee under the ABA. Regular interaction in the form of meetings, mela, counseling are done to understand their problems better. Monetary support and emotional support is given whenever required. They are also helped in obtaining family pension and other monetary grants offered to them. They also help with their children's admission, scholarship and hostels. Grants are also given for the medical care. Grants are also given for the children's marriage. These are the ways in Indian Army is constantly supporting our Veer Naris. अब मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपना एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगी अपनी एक फ्रेंड के बारे में जिसकी मदर एक वीर नारी है. Her world came crashing down when she heard about her husband. It was a difficult time and plus the family was not very supportive. This was the time when she took the entire responsibility on her shoulder and decided to take care of her daughters on her own. She gave them a good education and both the daughters are doing great in their life.
Hi, मेरा नाम अंजलि है. So 3rd January 2006, आज से around 13 साल पहले, my father, who was in the army, passed away. I was just 11-year-old. उस टाइम कुछ इतना आइडिया नहीं था कि I had memories with him. I still have memories with him. But to remember each and every day with him and the time I've spent with him, that's I think the most beautiful part I still have in my life. So काफ़ी साल बीत चुके हैं एंड मुझे नहीं लगता एक फादर की कमी anybody can fill. It's always the father who takes care of the daughter like nobody else. They take care of the need. They take care of how to bring up their daughter. They take care that nobody hurts them. They are actually the king of our heart. And I lost the king of my heart when I was just 11-year-old. There was not a single moment when my mother made me feel that I do not have my dad. She became my hero. She is the real hero for me. She has done everything for me. She has given me everything that I've ever desired. I chose something and that was given to me in like a month period. That time I was quite negligent about it. I was not very, I used to be like, ठीक है, हर parents का काम होता है. But now when I'm married, I realize नहीं, हर parent का काम नहीं होता है. Mothers, fathers, they take care of you like nobody else. every day so many soldiers are losing their life, and it's so difficult for the mothers, for the wives, for the daughters, for the sons to live without their father. एवरी डे सुनने में आता है कि आज इतने सोल्जर्स मर गए, आज इतने सोल्जर्स की डेथ हो गई. मेरे दिमाग में बस एक चीज़ आती है, शिट, उन्होंने तो अपनी जान दे दी, अब उनकी फैमिली का क्या होगा. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द वर्स्ट पार्ट, द फैमिली इज़ जस्ट लेफ्ट बिहाइंड. मुझे इस बात का इतना ट्रॉमा रहा है शुरू से, एंड आई एम स्टिल नॉट, लाइक आई हैव ट्राइड सो मच, बट आई स्टिल हैव द फियर ऑफ लूजिंग माई लव्ड वन. I was not expecting that one day my father will just like go away from my life. I used to take everything so for granted, that my parents, my father he's always going to be there, my mother is always going to be there. But if you ask me now, I know the value that how precious are our parents, how precious is a Fauji's life. They're just giving everything, they're not thinking about themselves. My father did the same thing. He had an options to come, just come and live with us in Gwalior, but he chose to stay in Ranchi. He chose to serve his nation.
So here come the part of the society. Let's be more warm and loving towards them and their family. Their kids may not be as privileged as we are. So let's share, care and show them the love. The least we can do for them is to respect them and give them moral support. There are other Veer Naris who have donned the uniform after their husband. Colonel Mahadik's wife Swati Mahadik decided to join army when she was 39. She graduated from Officers Training Academy and decided to follow her husband's footsteps. Lieutenant Swati Mahadik, a mother of two, has completed her 2 years of service. The other Veer Nari is from my city, Dehradun. Nikita Kaul Dhondiyal, wife of Major Dhondiyal. Major Dhondiyal martyred in an encounter with a terrorist in Pulwama. His wife Nikita Kaul Dhondiyal is all ready to join the army. She filled her SSC form 6 months after her husband's martyrdom. Let's salute our Veer Naris, and I'll be making more videos on the other stories of the Veer Naris. If you guys have any question or any query related to my video, please write in the description box and I would love to hear from you all. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan.